What is up, guys? This is Max Square, and in this video we're taking a look at an Android feature that is now available on iOS. Now, I definitely don't know a ton about Android, certainly not as much as I do about Mac and iOS, but I do believe there is a feature that allows you to stitch together screenshots by holding down the volume rocker and just scrolling on whatever it is you want to take a picture of. And while that feature is not natively built into iOS, even though it should be, there is an app that will essentially do the same thing. So let's check it out. So this app is called Tailor. It's free to download. It's really easy to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And as soon as I open up, you'll see that it's already brought in a couple of images. Now, there's actually no way to manually navigate through your camera roll. It'll just automatically pull in any and all screenshots that you've taken. So it'll just show you your most recent attachments, and you can just scroll through your library that way. And so the way it works is, if we just jump into an article here, what you would do is just take a screenshot, and then you would drag that away, scroll down so that there's a little bit of overlap, take another screenshot, and then just keep doing that until you get to the end. And if I jump back into the app, you'll see that it just automatically stitches them together. Then I can go ahead and save that. You can publish it to other places, print it, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to save the image, jump over into my photos, and now we have one long screenshot. Now, there is a small watermark that you'll see at the bottom. It's super subtle, but if you do want to remove it, you can upgrade for $2.99, I believe, and that also gets rid of some ads here at the bottom. But honestly, guys, it's so small that if you're just sending these to friends and really using it for just casual sharing, it's not even worth upgrading, so you can really use this whole feature for free. Now, really, that's about as much as the app will do. You can jump into the settings to remove that watermark, like I said. You can delete a screenshot if you just want to remove it. Now, unfortunately, that will just remove it from the app. It won't actually delete the screenshots themselves. If I jump back to my photos, you see I still have all of those individual attachments. Now, that may be nice for some people because they still want to have access to those, but honestly, I would like to be able to just remove them entirely from my phone, but there may be some permission issue there that I'm not aware about. So obviously, this is not as easy to use as something built in like it is on Android. The way it works is you basically leave about 25% overlap between the screenshots, and while that might sound kind of technical for people who don't really want to have to think about it, I honestly haven't run into any errors. This app is pretty smart when it starts to stitch them together. But if that does happen, you'll get an error that looks something like this. I think my only complaint with this app is not being able to individually select different attachments and even move them around. I think I have seen one or two apps that do have those features, but they don't have as clean as a UI, and I believe you have to pay for them as well. So this is really the best app I've been able to find that will stitch together screenshots. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If so, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more awesome Mac and iOS videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.